need is a plastic pry tool. The first step is to use the pry tool to pry the plastic protective piece that protects the connection. Use some force to pry the plastic from the trunk door. Place it off to the side after removal. The reverse light is the gray connector. Grab the bulb and twist it counterclockwise to release the bulb. Pinch the bulb and pull it out of the housing. Get your new ALA LED bulb and insert it back into the housing. Twist it clockwise this time to lock the bulb in place. Replace the plastic cover back into the trunk chassis to finish the install. Test the bulb to see the difference between your new ALA LED and the stock bulb. Look at the difference between the two. Even in broad daylight you can see the cleaner difference. Now we have both installed. It gives the Sienna an even more cleaner, crisp look. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again here in ALA Lighting.